Guys, welcome back ulit sa aming channel. Ngayon po ay magluluto ako ng orange chicken. So, yung kailangan lang natin is, kailangan natin ng manok. Ito, na-defrost ko siya. Kailangan natin ng orange. Kailangan natin ng luya at broccoli. Yung broccoli, guys, is optional lang po siya. Then, kailangan natin ng itlog, flour, then, ano pa ba? Sibuyas at ahos. Bawang, garlic, guys. Pasensya na. Kasi unahin ko to before kong ikat si manok.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that
Arawan kasi yung alaga ko. Tapos umalis sila. So, hindi sana ako magluluto. Wala akong pagkain. So, ngayon guys, ikakat ko muna itong, pero ito, i-grate ko lang yung luya. Then, ito lang yung chop ko na maliit. Tapos, i-crush ko lang ng konti yung gusto ko sana. So, itong lemon, gagamitin ko na. Ito yung gagamitin ko panghugas sa mga. So, yung gawin ko, ikakat ko lang siya ng strips. Yung pahaba. Tapos, i-mix ko lang ito.
Oh, it's like we were meant to be lovers. All I wanna do is feel you on my skin. Oh, let this feeling take me over. The way you take your time makes everything better. You were just on my mind. Now here we are getting together. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna
Nilagay ko is dalawang tablespoon. Tapos, lagyan natin siya ng konting orange juice dito para may lasa siyang orange. Tapos, yung half din ng orange is yan yung gagamitin natin for the sauce. Ang seasoning natin guys is kailangan natin maglagay ng konting garlic. Depende na din. Pwede naman hindi na. Pero nakadepende na yun sa inyo. Lagyan nyo naman ng konti. Garlic. For the taste lang naman. Tapos, lagyan natin ng asin. Then, paminta. Pwede nyo din siyang lagyan. Kung gusto nyo maanghang, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng chili powder. Pero kaya ko na siya lagyan ng chili powder dahil lagyan ko siya ng chili flakes muna. So, kailangan natin ng konting orange juice. For the taste lang naman yun. Para may taste talaga siya na orange. Then, isang itlog. Then, hahaluin lang. Saka natin siya.
lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor us. Every thought on my mind of you and I getting together. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell
So guys, pinainit ko na yung mantika. Tapos, malapit ako matapos yung song. Init ako.
I wanna touch, kiss you. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. I can't believe we started out friends. Oh, it's like we
Ayun,
were
guys.
meant to be.
Inapon ko lang yung
All
konti.
I wanna do is feel you on my skin. Oh, let this feeling take
Binigisa
me
ko
over. The way you take your time makes everything
Hi.
better.
Garlic,
You were just on my
onion, at
mind.
saka
Now
yung
here we are getting together.
luya.
Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over,
So, isusote ko lang po.
I wanna touch, kiss ya.
Hanggang sa mag-change yung kulay. Then, lalagay ko lang yung
I want this feeling forever.
so, ito na siya guys. Natapos ko na siya
Can't believe we found something this good.
kaya ngayon,
You're all I ever wanted. Gotta tell ya,
ano ko lang iset yung
I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So
maglalagay ako ng konting tubig.
I wanna touch, kiss ya.
Bibig lang yung garlic.
Feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good.
Then,
You're all I
nilagay ko na yung orange.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it.
Haluin lang siya.
Even
Tapos,
though
pag
it's new, I
nag-boil
can
na, saka na
already
natin ng
tell.
pastos.
Oh, that this
Mga
feeling
hanggang sangkap.
is taking
So, in case,
over.
kumulo na siya. So, maglalagay lang tayo ng mga 1 tablespoon na oyster sauce.
I wanna savor us.
And
Every
dugtungan
thought
natin.
on my mind of you and I getting together. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I
Maglagay tayo ng
ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, I wanna touch, kiss ya.
chili flakes.
The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever
Maglagay tayo
wanted.
ng konting asukal.
I can't believe we started out friends. Oh, it's like we were meant to be lovers.
natin siya ng konting soy sauce. Para hindi na tayo maglalagay ng lalagay tayo guys. Meron ako ditong 1 teaspoon na diluted na cornstarch. So, lagyan lang natin siya ng patunay. Huwag natin siyang biglahan. Madami malalagyan natin. Kailangan ng konti. Thickener lang kasi. Depende na sa inyo kung ilan yung ilalagay. Pero basta ano lang siya, lalapot yung sauce. Ayan guys, sobrang lapot na yun ng sauce. So, ilagay natin siya ng yung manok dito. Then, i-mix lang natin siya. For decoration lang kasi itong broccoli guys. Guys, orange chicken. Kain tayo!